Hello my dear friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, today I am going to ask you one question, and the question is, how many credit cards do you need? Well, there is no definite answer to this. Some of you would be telling that take as many credit cards as you are getting offered, while some of you would be telling restrict yourself to just one credit card. There are no definite answers to this, correct? The question is fairly simple, but guys, trust me, the answer is equally complicated. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about different possible scenarios, and I will help you decide how many credit cards you need to have based on your necessities. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon, as it will motivate us to make lot of videos for you guys. And guys, let me also tell you that on this channel, we always post meaningful, no clickbait and sensible videos. So guys, I request you all to please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into the video. Now, looking at the credit card rewards, the credit card which will be offered to you will belong to one of the three types. The first type, which is the most common type, is called as cashback. Guys, this is fairly simple and straightforward. What happens here is, whatever money you spend by that credit card, you will be getting a certain part of it as cash back to your account. It can be either a flat rate, which is 1 or 2%, or it can be depending on what usage you have. Suppose, say for example, if you're using it for groceries, you'll get 1.25%. If you are using it for gas, you may get 2%, and certain other rotating charges. So bottom line is that whatever you use by that card, there is a certain percentage which you will be getting back. Say for example, if your card has a flat rate of 1%, and if you use around $2,000 in a period of 1 year, then maybe at the end of 1 year, you'll be getting 1% of that $2,000 as cash back to your account. So this is the first and the most simple type of reward. So guys, the next type of reward that you can expect is points. Unlike cashback, in which you get cash, in point-based rewards, you are given points which can be redeemed for either travel reservations, online shopping, gift cards, etc. So just like cashback card, whatever you spend over a period of certain months, or say example 1 year, there is a flat rate applied, and you are given equivalent points which you can collect and redeem for whatever you want to. The redemption instructions are given by each credit card provider, and then you can choose from whatever you want to redeem it at. The next type of reward is miles. It is a perfect fit for those of my friends who are frequent flyers. So what happens here is, whatever money you spend through the card, you are rewarded with equivalent miles. These miles can be redeemed either to get discount on your next flight ticket, or if you have accumulated enough miles, you can get the entire flight ticket for free. So if you are a frequent flyer, then definitely check for this reward card, and there are many credit card providers who would be providing air miles credit card, so definitely check it out. So guys, now that we have seen the different rewards that you can expect from your credit card, coming back to our original question, how many credit cards do we actually need? Guys, in my opinion, you need minimum of 2 credit cards. Whatever I am going to tell from now on are based on my own personal experiences. Each and everyone may have their own opinion and different thought process, but whatever I am going to tell from now on are based on my opinion. So guys, in my opinion, your first card should always be through a financial institution. Guys, if you are a newcomer in Canada, if you are working in Canada or are a student, there are obviously some money that you have which you need to keep in bank. Whichever bank you have your account with, make sure you get your first credit card through them, and if possible, try to make that card a cashback reward credit card. The benefit of this would be, wherever you use that card, you will be getting cashback which will be directly associated with your account, and it gets directly deposited to that account. Correct? So that is taken care of. Your first card is taken care of. For second card, I personally feel that you should be looking at your spending pattern and your shopping pattern. If there is a specific store at which you shop the most, you should be getting a credit card from that store. Say for example, if there is a Walmart which is close to my house, and I get all my groceries, day-to-day stuff mainly from Walmart, then I should definitely opt for a Walmart credit card only. This time I should opt for a rewards card, not a point-based rewards card, not a cashback card. The reason for this is, if I use my bank's cashback card, the rewards will not be that great, because Walmart will be giving me more points if I use their card in their store. Correct? That makes sense? So your second card should be a point-based card, and it should be from a store in which you shop the most to get the maximum benefit. So since your first card, say for example, was Visa, then try to make sure your second card is definitely MasterCard or some other card, but definitely not Visa. So the point that I want to make is have variety of cards. So if your first card is Visa, second should be not Visa, MasterCard or American Express or whatever, but definitely not Visa. Now there are many of my friends who would be complaining that in order to have a better credit score, you should have more number of credit cards. But guys, this is not entirely true. Yes, if your credit utilization is too high, then in order to reduce that credit utilization, either you should spend less or you should have more available credit. Now in order to get more available credit, you can either opt for a new card altogether, or you can increase the credit limit of your existing cards if possible. So say for example, if you already have 2 cards and if you are spending 50% on both the cards, then your credit utilization is quite high because it should be kept at around 30% for better credit score. So now in this case, either you can increase the credit limit of those 2 existing cards, or you should opt for a third credit card. But guys, don't overindulge in applying for more credit cards, because the problem is having more number of cards means there is easy chance of you to overspend. Since you know that you have a lot of credit limit, you become carefree and start spending in a carefree way, and when the bill comes, you will be in a jiffy like what to do. Correct? Secondly, each and every credit card will have a different credit statement date. So the bills will be generated at different times. So the more number of cards you have, the more you have to, the more thought process you have to which bill has to be paid when. I mean, obviously there are automatic debits and everything, but you have to take time to set it up, and then also you have to make sure that you have sufficient balance in your account so that whenever the bill is generated, your payment are done in its entirety. So guys, now just to summarize, in my opinion, everyone should have a minimum of 2 credit cards or 3 if they want to improve their credit score, but it should be done in a responsible way. So guys, if your first credit card is from a bank, second credit card, make sure it is from your favorite shopping brand where you shop the most. If first card is Visa, then second card should definitely not be Visa. If your first credit card, the one from your bank, make sure it is a cashback card, and the one from your favorite shopping brand, make sure it's a point-based reward card. So with this, you will be able to get maximum benefits. So guys, that's it for the day. I hope you all like the contents of this video, and if you really do, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and guys, don't leave this video without subscribing. It's a request from our side, so please subscribe to our channel. Keep your love, care and motivation for us by watching this video and sharing it with all your friends, family and relatives for whom this will be useful. And if you have any other comments for us, please make sure you write in the comment section. Also, if you have any suggestions for us to make new videos, topic for new videos, don't hesitate to type in the comments. So guys, with this I say goodbye, take care, much love.